This is the Meerkat Inn with free online tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's talk about a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Room, and it was on VRX, one of these big movers here the last couple of weeks. Here it was at opening, and it ran up, and we had several trades on it. One big trade here of about 2.8%. And then it was pulling back, and it was low basing right here. So we said, hey, if this breaks below this 20 moving average and this low base, we want to get short. So we set up a trade here and ready to go short. Let's see what happened next. And bam, there it went. It fell down here, and I went short here at $29.31. And then it just kind of rested right in that area using the 29.30 as a support area. So I have a stop up here just at 29.50, so about 2/3 of a percentage point in the risk here. And now let's see what happens after that. Come on, it's time to fall, time to fall. Oh man, look at that, just going along the side here. So now it finally went down here, and it's not a lot of time for it to be sitting there. So I'm bringing my stop down nice and tight. I had not had a real successful morning. I was only had one income trade and several of the expense trades. So I was a little tighter than I normally would be, and I'm just like, okay, let's just bring this inside a break even here, just inside a break even. If it's resting down here, it's now below the 50 moving average. That's a good sign. And using the 29.10 area as support, and then boom, look at that, pop just above there, just enough to stop me out for plus 0.1% in 13 minutes. But that's just the beginning of the story. I really did not give this enough room to come up and use this, what was support, to become resistance. And I was called what we call TTT, Too Tight Tommy, on my stop. And I, shoulda, woulda, coulda been just above this area here, because look what happened next. Bam, bam, bam. It fell down here to this dash line, which is the closing line, which back over here was resistance and now is support. A very typical time of the closing line can be support and resistance. And then look at that, fell down and all the way down here to the 200 moving average, which, as you can see here, is acting as support as well, and actually came back down to it again. So from where I was originally in down to this area, the trade that I missed was for 2.7%. So my point is here that sometimes you have to give it enough room to breathe and put your stop just above areas of support and resistance. This time I went just below based on my entry, which ended up being a mistake, and I gave up a little bit on the trade. Well, it's been interesting the last 2 days here in the GrokStar Trading Room. Yesterday we had 8 out of 11 trades for 72% success rate, and we netted 18.6% on all of our trades. Now with our model portfolio of $10,000 per trade, that would be $1,860 we would have made yesterday. Today was a little bit different story. We were only 4 out of 12 trades for 33% success rate, and we netted minus 0.2%, an expense day in the trading room. And again, with our model portfolio, that would mean we lost about $20. Point is, exact same trading system, traded to my exact trading rules. One day it yielded $1,800, and the next day it cost us $20. Well, that's only about the 4th expense day, I think, of the year for us, so let's keep moving forward. Hey, if you'd like to trade with us, you can. 30 days for free. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, where savvy traders advance. And go up here to the GrokStar Chat Room. You just click on that. It takes us right to the page. And this will describe, if you're in the chat room, exactly what to expect. And right over here, order now. You can order now right there. And here's some testimonials from people right over here on the left-hand side. Here I am actually trading. And if you want to read more detail about it, that's fine. And then there's another place to order now down here. Again, first 30 days are on us. Cancel at any time. And even after the 30 days, it costs you less than 1 commission to stay in the room per day. So if you think it'd be a benefit to you, come join us for 30 days. This is the Meerkat here. As Mark Twain said, it ain't what you don't know that gets you in trouble. It's what you know for sure that just ain't so. Trade well.